Welcome. Fitness is changing, and AI is leading the way. You don't need to be an athlete or a gym member. Fitness meets you where you are. Whether you're at home or in the park, smart technology brings personal coaching straight to you. Let's take a deep breath together. This is the beginning of something different. You're not just getting fit, you're getting smart. Have you ever felt lost during a workout? Unsure if you're doing it right? You're not alone. Most people give up not because they're lazy, but because they're unsupported. Traditional workouts expect you to just know how to move. But what if we flip the script? That's exactly what AI is doing. Imagine this. You're doing squats. Your form is off, but AI notices and gives you feedback to course correct. It's like having a personal trainer in your pocket who never gets tired and always works around your schedule. AI designs workouts that adapt to your body, your space, and your needs. All you need is a camera and commitment. Can you imagine how much safer and simpler fitness could be with that kind of support? That's why I built this channel. We've launched a 365-day AI-powered fitness series. Just 1 minute a day. Each video walks you through a single move with realistic AI visuals and slow-motion demos. You'll get reminders to breathe, check alignment, and stay present. Want to improve your posture? We've got you. This is more than content. It's a daily commitment to yourself. 1 minute, one movement, one new habit at a time. So, what happens next? Subscribe to this channel so you don't miss your daily check-in. Turn on notifications. Let us meet you each morning with a 60-second boost. Follow us on Instagram for daily tips. You don't need more motivation. You need smart momentum. Let AI be your accountability partner. Are you ready? Let's start this journey together today. Now, if you're still watching, here's a bonus moment for you. Grab a mat and join me for a deep breath. Inhale and exhale. This is your reset. Every step forward is still progress. Fitness is not a finish line. It's a relationship. Give yourself credit for showing up and choosing a smarter path. You don't need a personal trainer or a complicated app to start working out right. AI can see how you move, your posture, angles, and effort. It analyzes your form in real time, tracks your reps, and adjusts routines to your level. Whether you're a beginner or busy, this brings safety, structure, and confidence. No more second-guessing your squats or wondering if your plank is good enough. Imagine doing a plank and AI prompts you. Lift those hips, keep the spine neutral. Or about to do a dumbbell press, and a guide shows you where to position your elbows. Animated cues highlight your posture. Arrows for alignment, tips mid-rep. You get a custom routine, adjusted daily based on your performance yesterday. This isn't guesswork, it's data-driven form correction, right at home or the gym. Feedback from AI avatars motivates and teaches you. It's Form First Fitness, smart, structured, built around you. Daily bite-sized videos teach correct form and technique with AI precision. No more injuries from bad reps. No more wondering if you're doing it right. If you're serious about fixing your fitness form, hit that subscribe button. Your smart fitness journey starts here.
Starting your fitness journey can feel overwhelming, right? But I'm here to change that for you. This series is designed for beginners or anyone who's ever doubted their form. No fancy equipment needed, just your drive to improve. We'll break down essential moves step by step. Squats, planks, push-ups, done safely and correctly. At home, at the gym, or outdoors, you choose the space. We'll guide the technique so you build confidence and avoid injuries. Each video will help you actually enjoy working out. Ready to train smarter, not harder? Let's begin this journey together.
This is day one of a 365-day journey, not just to get stronger, but to move better with purpose and precision. Every day, I'll guide you through simple, effective workout techniques. Whether you're just starting or you've tried before and felt unsure, it's not about perfection. It's about learning proper form and building habits. No equipment? No problem. No experience? Even better. You'll train smarter, not harder, and learn how to move safely. 1 minute at a time, one step at a time. We're in this together. Let's begin this journey. Welcome to day 2 of your 365-day journey to mastering workout techniques. Today, we're focusing on proper chest bench press form for beginners. Lie back on the bench with your eyes directly under the bar. Place your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Keep your feet flat on the floor, back arched naturally, and shoulder blades tight. Lower the bar slowly to your mid-chest, elbows at a 45-degree angle. Remember, wrists should stay straight, no bending. Press the bar up with control, not speed. Aim for 3 sets of 10 reps. Now, watch a female athlete demonstrate this technique in her home gym. Observe her setup, movement, and control. Perfecting your form now prevents injury later. See you tomorrow for day 3. Welcome to day 3 of your 365-day journey. Today, we're breaking down the perfect bodyweight squat form, step by step. Start by standing with your feet shoulder width apart, toes slightly pointed outward. Engage your core and keep a neutral spine. No rounding or arching your back. Now, lower yourself slowly, driving your hips back like you're sitting in a chair. Make sure your knees track in line with your toes. Don't let them collapse inward. Lower until your thighs are parallel to the floor. That's your ideal squat depth. Keep your chest up, head neutral, and shoulders aligned with your hips. Pause briefly, then drive through your heels to return to the starting position. Remember, quality over speed. Repeat this motion slowly for the best results.
See you on day 5. Welcome to day 5 of your 365-day fitness journey. Today, we're mastering the plank, a simple move that builds serious core strength. Start on the floor with your elbows under your shoulders, forearms flat. Step your feet back, forming a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core, keep your hips level, no sagging or arching. Neck neutral, eyes down, shoulders relaxed. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds to start, focusing on tension, not just time. Do 3 rounds with controlled breathing. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe on YouTube. And follow on Insta. See you tomorrow for day 6. Welcome to day 6 of your 365-day fitness journey. Today we're focusing on the seated dumbbell shoulder press, a key move for building stronger shoulders and upper back. Sit tall on a bench with your feet flat on the ground. Hold 2 dumbbells at shoulder level, elbows just under shoulder height. Make sure your wrists are stacked above your elbows, palms facing forward. Press the dumbbells straight up overhead, not forward. At the top, your arms should be straight but not locked. Slowly lower back to the start, controlling the movement and breathing through each rep. Avoid arching your back. Keep your spine neutral and core tight. Practice with light dumbbells, aiming for 3 sets of 10 reps. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe, and follow on Insta. I'll see you tomorrow for day 7.
Welcome to day 7 of your 365-day fitness journey. Today, we're focusing on overhead dumbbell triceps extensions, a key move to tone the back of your arms. Grab a single dumbbell, holding it vertically with both palms under the top plate for control. Stand tall, feet shoulder width apart. Engage your core and keep your spine neutral. Raise the dumbbell overhead, arms fully extended, and tuck your elbows close to your ears. Slowly bend your elbows to lower the dumbbell behind your head, only as far as your shoulder mobility allows. Remember, your upper arms stay stationary. The motion comes from your forearms. Avoid arching your lower back. Engage your core to protect your spine. Keep your wrists straight and maintain a firm grip to stabilize the weight. Press the dumbbell back up with control, fully extending your arms to activate those triceps. Watch out for common mistakes: flaring elbows, rushing, using momentum, or holding your breath. Repeat slowly for the best results. Start with 2-3 sets of 10 to 12 reps using light weight. Focus on form over load. And remember to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. See you in day 8.
Day 8 of your 365-day fitness journey. Today we're mastering the bodyweight lunge, a key move for strength and balance. Let's dive in. Step forward with control, steady and confident, like you're stepping onto a rail. Knees should form a perfect 90-degree angle. From the side, ensure your front knee stays over your ankle, never past your toes. Keep your torso upright and core engaged. Imagine a string lifting your chest up. Stay tall, don't lean forward. Your back heel should stay lifted. Maintain your balance. Your back leg supports but doesn't dominate. Remember, we're using only body weight. Focus on stability, not speed. Form is key. Alternate legs with control, and on-screen tips will guide you. Knee over ankle, straight torso, controlled descent, no leaning forward. Aim for 8 to 10 reps per leg, 2 to 3 rounds. Keep your breath steady and posture clean. Like, share, and subscribe for daily Form Fix workouts. See you in day 9.
Day 9 of your 365-day fitness journey. Today, we're focusing on wall push-ups, a safe way to build chest strength for beginners. Stand facing the wall, hands shoulder width apart at chest level. Now, step back to create a slight incline. Keep your body straight and your core tight. Lower your chest toward the wall, keeping your elbows at about 45 degrees. Push back with control. Remember, no shrugging or sagging. On-screen tips: hands at chest level. tight core, elbows at 45 degrees, full range, no arching. Start with 2 to 3 sets of 8-12 reps to build foundational strength. Like, share, and subscribe for daily posture perfect workouts. See you in day 10. Day 10 of your 365-day fitness journey. Let's fix your dumbbell deadlift form and prevent lower back pain. First, remember, hip hinge, not squat. Focus on bending at the hips. Keep your back flat, no rounding. Notice how the dumbbells track your legs throughout the movement. Drive through your heels as you lift. Maintain a neutral neck alignment for safety. Now, do 3 sets of 8 to 10 controlled reps. Fix your deadlift. Build real strength. Like, share, and subscribe to stay aligned through all 365 days.